In this video, we're going to be going over how to install Perplexity on Mac. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is open the App Store. Once here, we can do a search in the top right for Perplexity. Then we need to select this app, then click Get and Install. You may now be required to enter your Apple ID credentials, then Perplexity should start downloading. Once installed, we can click the blue Open button, then Perplexity will go through its startup animation, then we can click Next. If we would like Perplexity to automatically open up when we turn our Mac on, we can select Launch on Startup, then select Next. It will now give you a few keyboard shortcuts which you may find helpful. Again, I'm going to click Next, then let's go. You can now log into Perplexity by clicking the blue Sign In button in the middle. Once signed in, you can start using Perplexity just as you would the web version. If we would like Perplexity to stay in the bar at the bottom, we can right click the icon, then go to Options, then select Keep in Dock. That's all we have for this video on installing the Perplexity app for Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.